study of 10th class. This is Shravan. Let us learn about logarithms. So friends, in the previous classes of our chapter real numbers, we have discussed about various types of numbers. So in this class, let us learn about exponential form of irrational numbers. For example, 2 power x, 2 square or 5 square, anything. The exponential form of irrational numbers, let us learn how to solve them using logarithms. The standard form of logarithm, if a power x is equals to n, then the value of x we can find using the logarithmic standard form. X is equals to the log we apply to n, and this base a will be the base a here. Let us see an example. If we have 5 power x is equals to 10, then we need to find the value of x. So the x is equals to log we will apply to 10, and this base will be the base here. If let us take one more example. If 2 power x is equals to 60, then we need to find the value of x. If we see in generally, like 2 power 5 is 32, 2 power 6 is 64. So if we have 32 here, we can directly say x value is 5. If we have 64 here, we can tell x value of 6 directly. But when we have 2 power x is equals to 60, the x value should be in between 5 and 6. So it is very difficult to find the x value as it is a decimal, as it is in decimal form. So instead of to avoid this difficulty, we will use logarithms. How we find the value of x using logarithms? X is equals to this 60, we apply log to this 60, and this base 2 will be the base 2 here. And the value of this 60, log 60, can be found out very easily by using these laws of logarithms. Among the laws of logarithms, the first one, when we have log x power n base a, this n we can write in the front, n log x base a. Let us see an example. When we have log 8 base a, 8 we can write as 2 cube, and this we have got in the form of log x power n base a. So this n we can write front, so this 3 we can write in the front, log 2 base a. So this is easy to find than log 8 base a. Let us take one more example, log 343 base a. 43 it is 7 cube. So log base a 343 is 7 cube. By using this one, this n we wrote in the front, this 3 also we can write in the front, 3 log 7 base a. So this one we have simplified, and now it is easy to find the value. Now let us see the second one. Log a base a is 1, like log 10 base 10 is 1, log 25 base 25 is 1, log anything to the base, same thing will be 1. Log xy, we have multiplication of xy in the log. So when we solve this, we will get log x plus log y. For example, log 8 into 25. If we have to solve log 8 into 25, 25 8 we need to find the multiplied value of 25 into 8, then we apply log to that very bigger value. The problem will be very bigger. So if we use this log 8 plus log 25, okay, this is easier than this, and we can make it more simpler by using this one again, the first one. Log 8 is 8 we can write 2 cube, plus 25 we can write 5 square. So this 3, by using this we can write 3 in the front as a multiple, log 2 plus again this 2 comes front, log 5. We need to know the values of only log 2 and log 5, that is enough, and we multiply 3 and we multiply 2. The value of log 8 into 25 can be solved easily by using this third one and second one. Now let us see the other one. When we have division of two numbers inside the logarithm, when we have division of two numbers inside the logarithms, when we divide them, we get subtraction in the middle. For example, log 8 divided by 25. See friends, you need to get the divided value of 8 divided by 25, then you need to apply. Obviously, 8 divided by 25 will be a decimal number, and if you apply logarithm to decimal number, very difficult. So let us simplify this using the laws of logarithms. So as we have already seen, when we have division, we get subtraction. So log 8 minus log 25. Again, 8 can be taken as 2 cube and 25 can be taken as 5 square. From the very first one, log 2 cube can be written as 3 log 2, log 5 square can be written as 2 log 5, and solve log 2 log 5 and get the value. The log 8 by 25 can be simplified as 3 log 2 minus 2 log 5. And finally the last one, log 1 is 0. Log 1 is 0. Log 1 is 0. Always remember log 1 value is 0. Let us see. We already know any variable, if it has 0 in its exponent, then the answer is 1. For example, we already know from our childhood, like x power 0 is 1, anything power 0 is 1. So this is the standard form, a power 0 is equals to 1. If we apply logarithm to this, as the same case, a power x is equals to n, a power 0 equals to 1. If we apply x, 0 are similar, if we apply x and 0 are similar, then we apply log to 1 and this base will be the base. So log 1 value is 0. We can take any example. If 8 power 0 is 1, anything power 0 is 1. So if we apply log 0 is equals to log 1 base 8. So this also proved. So these are the logarithms and the laws of logarithms, the standard form and everything, friends. So in our next session we are going to discuss some problems based on logarithms, and let us learn how to use these laws of logarithms in finding the problems. Thank you so much.